my weary bones around the lumps in the mattress, drifted off to sleep.
I'm so tired. Let me put you to bed. Why? So I can dream.
Then I had to drift right back again.
Delightful, my dear. Now play my favorite.
I heard someone singing. I followed the sound.
And I am once again dreaming of a song. And I am once again and I am once again dreaming of a song. And I am once again and I am once again with you. And kiss and inspiration. The melody. Wonder why and I am once again dreaming of a song. And I am once again and I am once again dreaming of a song. And I am once again.
But that was long ago.
I'm sorry, but I think we'd better end the concert for tonight.
But
I've only started.
making her play for that ruffian.
Remember what happened last night when she played? We were all practically hypnotized by the music. It might happen again.